What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Josh and I'm here back with another video. And today in this video I'm going to be doing a vlog where I'm going to the shop and moving all my stuff back in. Tomorrow is going to be the first day that we get to go back into the barbershop ever since they shut us down for the quarantine. So I'm about to go in here and move everything back into my room. I'm going to show you guys my room, my setup, how I got everything laid out in my room. But before we go any further in this video, if you're new and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button below and turn on that notification bell. And if you watch this video all the way to the end, leave a like and leave a comment. Even if you don't watch it to the end, just show your boy some support. It helps my channel out a lot. But I'm about to go into the shop and you know, you're gonna see my room, so let's get right into it. So YouTube, this is my room. I'm about to get ready to show you guys all the cool stuff I got in here. I'm gonna update it soon, but right now this is just how it looks for now. So the first thing I want to show you guys is my station. So let's get right to it. So right here I have my station area. This is where I stand at right here when I cut. This is my station. I got my clippers. You know what I'm saying? I got my wall singers. You know I gotta have these things. All the essentials. These are my products I use. Some more clippers. Got my shaver. Yeah, these are my essentials. This is stuff that I keep on my station most of the time. I try to keep it minimal with the clippers. Since I use the same kind of clippers, I just have one set that sits on the charger, and then I have one set that sits on the little stands. When I need to use them, I just swap it out. This is my chair. I got my new illusion cape, my Burberry style cape. This thing's super dope. So I got my chair right here. Then I got over here is where I keep my towels, extra clippers. As you see, I got the Babyliss in the box. I try to use them sometimes, as you guys see on my videos, but it never works out. I always end up putting them back up because I gotta go back to the wall, you know what I'm saying? But I got my first place trophy right here, you know what I'm saying? I got my TV. This is my TV. So if I'm standing right here and my client is sitting right here, you know, I got my clients that sit right here. They can just look up at the TV. Boom, right here. Got my mirror right here. So if I turn my chair, my clients, they can see themselves. You see what I'm saying? They can sit right here. They can see themselves in the mirror. Or they can see themselves in this mirror right here. I got my little logo right here on my mirror. You know what I'm saying? Gotta represent the logo. And I got my travel kit. You guys seen that before, but I leave it right here in the shop. And like I said, I got my chairs for my clients to sit down and everything. Right here I have my apron. My red leather apron. Got my capes. Got the camo. I got this Tennessee Barber Expo cape. Then I got this cape. I had this cape for a long time. I had this cape when I was cutting at home. Those are the capes I got here, but the rest of them, they're at home. This is where I keep my ring light. I record my videos right here, so I gotta have the light on the side that the camera is on so that it can look good. And then right here I have my custom made wall lids with my logo on them. You know what I'm saying? Joshxbarber, made by Alpha Cuts. He made them for me a while ago, and that was back when I was cutting at home. Actually, like, I got those made back when I was cutting at home. So like these right here, they going down in history with me. I gotta keep those on me. You see what I'm saying? I gotta keep those on me. Then I got my guy Joker right here. You know, I gotta keep him in the cut. Cool thing, I got this picture of Tupac at Walmart. I got the Hustle. I got that at Bed Bath and Beyond. Hold up, nah, Bed Bath and Beyond. It was crazy. I was singing that. I was like, I had to cop that. That's gonna be super dope for the room. I want to change some stuff up in my room though. I'm definitely gonna get a smaller station, and then I'm gonna be working off a mirror. So I'm gonna change up my station. I'm gonna work off a mirror and like one of those little toolbox things, because I want it minimal. You know what I'm saying? I want to have a lot of space, but the room is pretty big though. I mean, it's not small. It's definitely not small. Like, it's big enough to fit a lot of people in here. You see what I'm saying? That's my whole room. It's dope. So this is like my little hallway I'm on. It's the bathroom. It's the bathroom right here. And then, you know what I'm saying? So I'm back here in the corner by myself. It's like, it's super big in here. Let me show you guys. Like, it's super big. So I'm back here like my own little corner. I'm the only guy that works in here. So for me to have my own little side is cool. You know what I'm saying? I just be over here kicking it, you know. But all my coworkers, they super cool. I mess with them. But me being the only guy, and I feel right in though, because the type of person I am, it's all good, you know. I'm super excited to be back in the shop tomorrow. Like I said, it's my first day back cutting, like actually in the shop. Like I can't wait to record more tutorials for you guys. It's gonna be super crazy. I'm gonna be dropping tutorials like crazy. I told myself I'm gonna be recording more, being more active, being more consistent. Like I am consistent, but I just want it to be at a bigger rate. I know I can go harder. Like I just felt it. I was like, bro, I can go way harder than what I've been going, because I got a lot of goals I want with my channel, as far as like reaching 100K, like really just, you know what I'm saying, just making my channel grow, because I see the potential, and I don't want to like take it for granted, you know what I mean? I want to just really go all in and just to get my full potential. Like I was just motivated over the quarantine. It really just motivated me to like just keep going and keep growing, because I was really focused more on my YouTube channel during the quarantine. It just really showed me the dedication that I had for my YouTube channel and what I wanted from it. So a lot of times my haircut tutorials, like they do better than a lot of my videos. So they really told me like, bro, you should go way harder than what you've been going. Like I seen the potential. So you know what I'm saying, it's on. As soon as I get back in the shop tomorrow, it's on, you guys. Yeah, but like I said, this is my room. It's cozy. I like a studio. A lot of people don't know whether they should do a studio, work in a barbershop. I think the studio was like more customization. If you're that kind of person, and like I really like put together my room how I want it. I've kind of made it like my own, kind of like my own little barbershop in the shop. Like to be honest, I feel like it's a lot more private. It's like one-on-one with your clients. I really like the studio vibe. It's a pretty big room though. It just depends on where you go. We have bigger rooms in here, but I kind of grew onto this room. We had another room. I was offered the room. I worked in there one day, and I was like, no, I gotta come back to this room. This is what I like. As you can see, man, like I said, we're gonna be changing some things up in here soon. So right here where you see my station, I wanna put a mirror right here, like a long mirror, and then I'm gonna put like one of those little I'm gonna put one of those like work toolboxes on the side of it. Then I'm gonna have my chair right here. I might use that mirror. I don't know. I was thinking about buying this other kind of mirror. I just want to clear up some space in here so I can have more room in my room. You know what I mean? I just like the minimal. I feel like this is too big. It actually isn't mine. Some guy that used to work here, he left it and he never came and picked it up. So I used it. I had a toolbox at first, but it wasn't the kind that I needed. I found the one that I needed, and I'm going to go get that. And that's when I'm going to update my room. So I really didn't want to show you guys until I updated it. But this is my room. This is where I started at. It was actually worse than this. This chair wasn't the original chair that I had. I had like a cheaper, like $200 barber chair I bought from this barber shop. It like broke. It was messing up on me. I think what happened to it? I think it was like the reclining thing was like messed up. It was like wiggly. It was just, you can tell it was cheap. Like I wouldn't want to put a big person in that chair. So I upgraded my chair, but I'm about to buy a new chair actually. This coronavirus messed up a lot of stuff. I was gonna go to Atlanta and get everything, cause I'm like an hour and a half away from Atlanta. So I was gonna go down there and grab everything I needed. Cause actually I bought this barber chair in Atlanta at this place called Ringlight. It's like everybody knows Ringlight. A lot of barbershops around the world use them. So I was gonna get that, and then so I'm gonna get my mirror, my new chair, and my new little work toolbox station thing. And then I'm gonna get some more pictures in here. Definitely, I said I was gonna get more pictures, but I wasn't really satisfied with what I had in my room. So once I upgraded, I'm gonna be more motivated to buy like more pictures and put more stuff on the wall. So YouTube, this is my room. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. But like I said, stay tuned for more dope haircut tutorials. Tomorrow's my first day back in a barbershop, and it's back to business. I told you guys I'm motivated, and I'm going harder, dropping way more videos. So stay tuned, because you're going to see me pop up on your screen a lot. So if you don't have my notification bell on, turn that on for me and hit that subscribe button, because I do not want you guys to miss this, because we're about to take this thing to another level. Because if we're going to do something, we got to do it all the way. We got to do it like 100%, 110%. So that's what I mean, like the quarantine taught me. Like, I mean, it didn't teach me, but like the quarantine quarantine really just opened my mind up and was like, bro, like I got all this time on my hand, like I be bored. So it was like to the point where I just started making like content. So I was like, you know what, I need to go hard like this when I get in the shop. So be prepared for more dope videos. I told you guys we coming hard. So if you don't have on that notification bell, like I said, turn it on. It's your boy Josh, and I'll see you guys on the next video. It might be a haircut tutorial because I might record one before this week is out, but I'm super busy and I'm booked up all week because, you know, ain't nobody had a haircut. So I'm pretty sure I have a lot of haircuts that need to be recorded because, you know, they probably looking like Chewbacca or something, man. I don't know. But anyways, it's your boy Josh. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Joshxbarber. As you see on the top of this screen, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video with a friend. I hope you guys liked it, and I'm going to give you guys another video when I actually update my room, so stay tuned for that. It's your boy Josh. Peace.